Want to make $100 a day online without showing your face, talking, or dealing with clients? Let me show you the exact faceless method you can start today from the UAE with just your laptop and a bit of smart work. Step 1, product idea. First, decide what kind of digital product you'll sell. You don't need to be an expert. Just pick one idea, like planners, Notion templates, AI prompts, or social media kits. These are in high demand, easy to create, and sell globally. Step 2, use ChatGPT. Now go to ChatGPT and generate the core content. Ask it to help write a guide, planner, or outline for your product. For example, create a 30-day fitness planner for busy professionals and watch the magic happen. Step 3, design in Canva. Take that content to Canva. Use their free templates to make it look professional. Drag, drop, and export as a PDF. This becomes your digital product. Zero design skills needed. Step 4, sell on Gumroad Payhip. Upload your PDF to Gumroad or Payhip. Both platforms are beginner-friendly and support UAE payouts via Payoneer. Set your price, write a simple description, and you're ready to sell. Step 5, market on Pinterest, Instagram. Now drive traffic to your product. Use free tools like Canva to design faceless Pinterest pins or Instagram reels. You don't need to show your face. Just post valuable content and link it to your store. This is how you earn faceless income. Create once, sell forever. Use AI, templates, and smart platforms to make money while you sleep. No face, no voice, 100% online. Comments stacked if you're ready to try this. Subscribe for weekly videos on building income streams from the UAE using tools, templates, and tech. Let's stack that money together.